Yeah, so are you going to make ice cream today?
Yes.
Yeah? What kind of ice cream?
With chocolate ice cream.
Chocolate ice cream?
Yes.
Okay, why? Is that your favorite?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So Kiara is going to make with these chocolates because ও আসলে খাচ্ছে না চকলেট গুলা আর এগুলো একটা টাইম আমার খুব ফেভারিট ছিল আজকাল তার লিন্ডোর ভালো লাগে না কেন জানি না ফর এক্সাম্পল ইউ ক্যান সি Kiara, can we eat one chocolate, mommy, please?
I just yes.
Any flavor you can take.
No,
Which
no.
one you want?
No, I don't like it. So
Why don't you like it?
I want ice cream. So
You want ice cream? Okay, fine. So we are gonna make ice cream with this chocolate, okay?
okay.
Then you will eat? Yeah?
No. So I can't eat. So
Okay, you can eat ice cream, right?
yes.
Okay, then we'll make ice cream, okay.